Ever wondered how machines understand language? Meet transformers, the math behind modern AI like GPT-4. Imagine the sentence, "The cat sat on the mat." Each word needs to understand its relationship with every other word. How does cat know it's connected to sat? That's where the attention mechanism comes in. It's like giving each word the ability to look at and understand all the others simultaneously.
Now comes the beautiful math.
Step 1. Multiply query times key transpose to get similarity scores. Step 2. Scale these scores to keep them stable. Step 3. Apply softmax to create a probability distribution. The result? A gorgeous attention heat map, showing exactly which words should focus on which other words. It's like a neural conversation map.
But wait, there's more. Multi-head attention runs this process multiple times in parallel,
Like having several different perspectives analyzing the same sentence simultaneously. Plus, positional encoding uses elegant sine and cosine waves to teach the model about word order. It's mathematical poetry in motion.
And that's it. Transformers use self-attention to learn complex relationships while processing everything in parallel for incredible speed. Pure mathematical elegance that changed AI forever.